my name is Aishi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I am going to show you guys how to get this curly beachy kind of a hair without using a hair curler. So this is just one of the ways which I use. I'm sure you can get many videos out there, but this is just to show how I curl my hair. But before getting into the video, hit the subscribe button and like this video. It really helps me a lot. And now let's just get into the video. So the first thing which I like to do is parting my hair into sections, usually like this, and then I like to comb it all around so that I do not have any knots, because then it just messes up with the entire process. So once you are done, you will have your well sectioned hair and you are ready for the next step. So before that, again I like to comb my hair a bit, because as you guys can see I have a frizzy hair. So what I like to do is that instead of just dividing my hair into two sections, I like to divide it into four sections. So I'm going to show you more briefly. So instead of taking that entire section, I divide it into two sections like this. So I just braid the upper half once, and then when it's completed, I move on to the bottom section, that is the next part. So the only reason for doing this is that the more nicely and the more tightly you'll be able to grab your hair and make it into sections like this, the more well defined your curls are going to be once you open them. So that's why I like to divide it into sections like that, so that it gives a more definition to my hair and gives more definition to the curls once the entire process is completed. So as you guys can see, I am done with my one side of the hair and I have moved on to the second side of my hair. So once the entire process is completed, that's how my hairs are gonna look on both the sides. Again, you need to make sure that the braids are very tight and not loose braids, because that is not going to give the curls the definition which you want. So you have to do this very tightly in a very proper manner. That's why it's very important that your hair do not have any knots and it's well combed. Also, the elastic which you use has to be super tight. If it's loose, then it's going to lose the grip on your entire hair, and then again it will not serve the purpose. So make sure you are using a nice elastic band, and you can continue doing this braid until the very end of your hair. I am not able to do so, but if you can, you can definitely do it. Once everything is done, this is how your hairs are gonna look. I have divided into four sections. You can divide it into even more sections. The more sections you have, the more definition your curls will have, and you can leave them overnight. But before doing so, I like to use a little bit of my straightener. So what I do is that I take my straightener and I keep it on the highest maximum power, that's the highest maximum heat. The only reason being that the highest heat point gives more nice curls because it has more heat, and the lesser ones give a little bit of loose curls and does not serve the desired effect. So what I like to do is that I gently hop on and jump on places like this. I do not run it down, because running it down does not serve the purpose. So you have to just take the straightener and jump at hop at certain points, and then just let it heat for 2 seconds or 5 seconds, and then you can move on to the downwards area. So do not drag it as I showed you, just jump from one section to the another section. You can do it for 2 to 3 times for 2 to 5 seconds maximum. So I'm gonna do it on both the sides, obviously. So after heating it, you can keep it overnight or you can keep it for 4 hours to 5 hours. The best results come if you keep it for 4 to 5 hours, not less than that, because when you're applying the heat, then you need to keep it like that for some time so that your hair gets that definition. But here I think I only kept it for 2 to 3 hours just to show you guys, because it was already going to get dark. But you can see the see the results. There are mild curls there, so if you keep it overnight, it is definitely going to stay for such a long period of time. And now let's move on to the other section. So after everything is done, this is how your hair will turn out. As I said, the longer you keep your hair in a braided position after applying the heat, the more well defined the curls are going to be. You can use any kind of serum or aloe vera gel for or a hairspray to keep your hair in that way. Guys, that is how I straighten my hair. This is very simple, very convenient with less efforts. So I really hope that you guys found this helpful. If you did, then you guys can help me in turn by liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and comment down any queries or questions you have. I would be happy to help you. You guys can also follow me on my Instagram for more updates about my life and about the videos which I am going to post. I'm highly active there, and you don't have to follow me, but you can, and I would highly appreciate that. That's all for this video, and I really hope to see you guys next time. Bye.